I've already told you 1,000 times! Make toys in slime sizes too! It's intolerable!
Thank you for getting out to us. We will get in touch with you very soon.
They must be kidding me!
Ah, Sammy, come on. It's not worth your poor nerves.
No, Raj, I have to fight for justice in the name of all slimes!
Huh, we could launch our own manufacturer of mini toys. How does that sound?
It would be awesome! We might even make some prototypes till those guys answer me back. Come on!
Whoosh! This is a real speed race.
Raj, come on! We're not playing with toys right now, we're making them!
Got it, but my first toy will be a vehicle. Are you in?
Always! Guys, you may need an adult to help you with this craft.
Oh yeah, adults like toys too. Especially some mini vehicles, I bet.
Hot news! What kind of vehicle is it going to be?
A motorcycle. I've always been dreaming of having one. Are you with me, guys?
Let me help, Raj! Oh, that coil was too stubborn.
Thanks, Sam. We've made it. Guys, check this out. This will be the back wheel. Let's secure the joint with duct tape. Just wrap it around the wheel.
Don't get stuck, Raj! Whoa! Not funny.
Guys, we're using the most ordinary materials today. So this motorcycle is going to be made of pencils. Sammy, stay strong.
Oh, my precious stationery! Raj, you have to promise me that I won't regret it.
Trust me, Sam. Our motorcycle will have a real motor too. Ask an adult to drill a tiny hole in a pencil, guys. And then just attach it to the wheel. Now I need you all to focus.
And for how long do I need to focus?
Just a bit longer, Sammy. So we'll put a rubber band on the coil, and then attach a second pencil to this side of the wheel.
We're using smaller pencil pieces here. Everything is so tiny. Just for slimes.
So, you've got into the swing of toy manufacturing.
I'm spending all my stationery stock on it. I'm both excited and nervous.
Don't worry, Sam. You can busy yourself with something. Ouch, not so fast. We don't need so many pencils.
Oopsie, I've tested different shapes and found the perfect one.
Let me see. Awesome! But don't throw so many pencils at me again, okay? Guys, we're attaching a motor. Our motorcycle will drive pretty soon.
A rubber band! We have to attach it to the motor!
Here you go. Don't expect it to start the engine, though. We still need... Sammy, are you alright? Do you have a motor too?
Better! I'm running on this battery!
Such a huge blast of energy. Why don't we lend some for our toy? Though the mechanism will be a bit more complicated.
Oh, we need a soldering iron to attach the wires to the controlling module! Guys, adult supervision is a must here. So the wires are connected to the motor and the controlling module, right?
Exactly! So now when we turn on the motor, the wheel will start rolling. Isn't that cool?
It totally slaps! Does it work with the two wheels as well?
Why don't we test it out right now? Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back. Sam, where are you? Oh, I may need to find another mechanic.
You humans are so impatient. Making toys is not a joke.
I know that you're doing your best. After all, you're making these toys for yourself.
Ahem. Actually, I dedicated my craft for all slimes in the world. Slimes for president! Hey, what is this for?
It's not for you, but for the motorcycle. Please attach it to the front side.
Human and slime are working together. We're a dream team.
We have more videos on our channel, guys. Feel free to subscribe.
Hey, Raj, there is one problem. Our motorcycle has no saddle.
Well, that's fixable. A saddle from an ice cream stick is fine, huh?
Give me a moment. Ouch! It's not my day.
Well, you can't sit on it, but we can design it according to your taste.
My mechanic identity can't resist. I will add an air intake.
Oh, is it to protect the engine from dirt?
Yup, so I'm I'm gonna test its resistance to coffee! Woohoo! Let's get to it! And... oh. The test is completed successfully!
Sammy, you'd better be careful. Here, jump on your motorcycle and it'll take you to the bathroom.
Uh-huh. Who's driving whom? Ah!
Phew. Here we go! Guys, this is it! It's time to start our secret mission! Sam doesn't know anything about this, so we should work really fast.
Interesting! What is this?
Be careful and cut the stick into measured pieces using a clipper.
What are you doing here, Raj?
Ah, Sammy, you're here already?
You're plotting something! Tell me! I've cornered you anyway!
Alright, I'm having a history project and I wanted to build a mechanical tank for it.
Shiver me cheddars! That sounds so cool! I'm in!
That's great! Can you help me with the road wheels for the other side? The wheels should be upside down for now.
Holy cannoli! I'm totally digging it! By the way, Roger, here is its identical twin! We could use them for skating! Hup! Not gonna get it!
Sammy, give it to me. Oh, come on. I think that skating is off the picture. Sammy! Ta-da-da! We're playing with big boys now.
Shiver me cheddars! Where did you find such a huge ice cream?
I'll show you later, but now... Ha! By the way, why did you take that piece from me?
I did that for a reason! Because the wheels of a tank should look like this!
You're right. Now let's glue the pieces together. We can attach our wheel tracks here this way. Hey, where's the second track?
Woohoo! Oh, that was too fast. I'm not feeling well.
Huh? Sammy? Are you okay? Sammy? Ta-da! Maybe we should leave this craft as it is. I like it already.
And forget about your project? No way, Raj! We'll keep going!
Yeah, right? You like my conscience, Sammy? We'll attach the rubber band right here. And voila! All done. Now let's do the same on the other side. There we go. Phew, this is like a rubber band heaven. Just a little more, guys. And this is what we've got. Now this looks more like a tank, right?
Slime Sam, your rescue ranger is here to save your day! Oh! Guys, you can do anything! All you need is... a taxi? You're on time! We'll be back soon!
Sam is full of surprises. Let's try to keep up. While our tank is at the upgrade, let's prepare a remote control mechanism. Hey, I'm gonna need you. The main part is hiding in here. Let's carefully unscrew the bolts. Don't rush, guys. Move slowly. And here is the main treasure. Looks cool, huh?
Hail Tibidaba, I brought some additional stuff with me! Check it out!
Wow, you've added 2 motors to the platform. And these are the essential pieces for the tank.
Then now you'll have something to do while I'm searching for batteries.
Wait, Sammy, don't go! Well, at least I can peacefully finish with the wheel tracks. Here we go!
Sorry I'm late, Raj. I had to go on foot because the track had been broken.
You're right on time, actually. We can already embed this.
I trust only you with it, Raj, and Susie too. Guys, don't play with electricity and ask an adult to help.
The last but very important step, to set up a rocket.
I think you'll get an A+ for your project, Roger.
I hope so. Let's test it then. Yeah!
We have some wooden pieces left. It means that a third toy is waiting.
Our toy manufacturer is rocking. By the way, I have a cool idea for the third toy.
Ooh, a drill means it'll be something awesome!
I have high hopes for that. Guys, don't do this by yourselves.
I've read your mind, Roger. It's gonna be a helicopter. Am I right?
You were close. But let's make more out of the box. These really look like the helicopter rotor blades, though. But actually, we're making a flying drone with glue.
So we're having another remote control toy? What a blast!
That was an unexpected turn. It also requires an electronic board for flying. In other words, it will have electronic wings. So cool!
And it should have dancing lights too! Hey!
Sorry, I'm lending this for scientific purposes. I'll give you a new one, promise. Don't forget about the battery, guys, or the drone won't fly. Here it is. Let's attach it to our toy.
It still needs proper wings. I found some, but they're too small.
Let me see, Sammy. They are just perfect, buddy.
Guys, do you want to see all of our mini toys from today in action? Then get ready to be amazed and follow me!
Get in touch with you very soon.
By the mozzarella! We've already opened a toy factory and they're still dialing!
Just drop it, Sammy. Come here and play with the new toys with me.
Sorry, I found a new trendy game and I have to collect all the coins on my way.
His mood is switching all the time. It's hard to catch up.
1,000 coins for a bike? Come on, it's not worth it! I have a better one here! Raj, let's race!
Guys, join us in our next video. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!